riding up to Ohio to go work on my grandpa's Kitt car. So
the car is actually Bremen Motorsports Mini-Mark, and it was actually built at the factory. And when I was, I don't know, 17, 18 years old, my uncle was a dealer, and we would go to the factory and pick up cars, a bunch of those, 5, 6 of those, just like that, and drive them to car shows. And then I got to sit around and sit on the cars and meet people and stuff like that. It's built on a Volkswagen chassis, obviously, like most of the Kitt cars back then were. And this one in particular, though, actually has factory air conditioning. It's got electric air conditioning pump in the front of it. So my uncle actually bought it initially, and then my dad wound up with it. But I heard stories of my cousin actually being downtown, dropping the clutch and pulling wheelies with it, because it is rear engine, and I never tried that. I'll guarantee you that. But that's been a long time ago.
So let's get started. So we just broke away from working on the car to pick up some more screws for the outside and actually go to the car show. So show. Gonna go back and finish the Kitt car.
Fixing the door hinges because the hinges were unavailable before, and my dad retrofitted some other hinges, but I found the hinges through Facebook. Bremen Motorsports has a Facebook page. I contacted them, and they got me in contact with the original manufacturer. So I ordered those for him last year, and he didn't get around to putting them on. So we're putting those on for him, we're also working on the motor. As you can see, Caleb and me actually put the motor in for him about, what was it, a year and a half ago, 2 years ago. We put it in because it was too heavy for him to lift, so me and Caleb put it in for him. And then like the following trip up, I hooked it up for him, got it semi-running, but we've got to get it roadworthy. So that's what we're actually working on now.
So just finished on the Kitt car. I keep wanting to say Corvette. It's kind of funny.
Came from the same place.
Same place. So we actually got it running and driving. You saw that in the previous clips, but you may have also noticed my uncle working on the carburetor. He's actually trained to be...
He's actually a small engine.
Small engine, yeah.
He was trained as a small engine repair.
Yeah, so that's pretty cool. And we finished up the doors, got those new door hinges, yeah, the chrome ones from the actual manufacturer of it, so that's cool. And overall, great trip. So, anything else?
Hope you enjoyed the car show video. A lot of those guys at the car show were guys I used to run around with in high school when I was a kid, when I was 17, 18. Those cars were sitting there too, but we were all cruising in them. They weren't show cars then, they were just the cars we were cruising in. So.
And as always, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye. Oh.